All right, we are recording. This is our $5 baseball mixer. Night, dog. Gotta get some stuff opened up here and we'll be ready to rumble. It's our $5 baseball mixer. Get my top loaders ready. Alright, here's our teams. This is a licensed product, so whatever logo's on the card, that's where it's going to go. These are our teams. Multiplayer cards, you got to own 50% or more. That's 2 of a 3-way, 2 of a 4-way, 3 of a 6-way, 4 of an 8-way. Otherwise, it goes to the randomizer. Should be pretty self-explanatory. Good luck, everybody. We'll do two tier 1s, and then we'll go through the archives and see what's crack-a-lacking in there. Good luck. Might be a redemption in this one. It's skinny. It's pretty skinny. Although I haven't opened any of this, so I don't know. I thought it used to be a couple base and 3 hits. Yeah, it is a deer value collector. I don't know who's a deer value collector in this. Oh, there's no base in this anymore. I got you. For the Metropolitans, to 400, Pete Alonso relic. For the Metropolitans. I think that's JRA. For the Orioles, on-card autograph rookie to 299, Diaz. Yunil Diaz for the Orioles. Orioles are Rizza T2. And we have a deer valued collector. Deer valued collector. Gripping autographed relic of, wow, Mike Trout. Rizzy T2. Lots of spots. Getting the big dog hit. Mike Trout gripping autographed relic for the Angels and Mike Trout. Congratulations, Rizzy T2. First hit for the Astros, Farmer Valdez to 400 for the Astros. Man, Rizzy's taking all the hits. For the Pittsburgh Pirates, Bill Mazeroski. Old guy. I don't see any numbering on that. There it is. To 149 for the Pirates. Who had the Pirates? Leo. Last autograph in Tier 1. Bidet. JJ Bidet. For the Miami Marlins. Rookie autograph to 299. Rizza T2. Guess when you have 8 teams, you're going to hit a couple things. All right, 3 boxes to go. Good luck, everybody. Next box. Keith Hernandez to 40 for the Metropolitans. JRA. Keith Hernandez for the Metropolitans. $50. Tommy John /45 on-card autograph for the Angels. Angels going cray-cray. It's hard to see, but it's on there. Tommy John for the Angels. That's Rizzy. Last box. Smoke 'em if you got 'em. Fred Lynn /47, 2/47 for the Red Sox. Man, Rizzy cleaned house in that break. Rizzy T2 cleaning some house in that break. All right, pretty good, pretty good.